Hi there, welcome to 1-2 Steps. In today's video, I am going to show you how to change language on Spotify. Spotify is a proprietary Swedish audio streaming and media service provider founded on 23rd April 2006 by Daniel Ek and Martin Lorentzen. It is one of the largest music streaming service provided with 433 million monthly active users. To change the language on Spotify, first open up Spotify app, which you can download from Google Play or App Store based on your device. And after opening and logging into Spotify, go and click the gear-like icon, which is the setting which should be on the topmost right corner on the home page. After clicking that, you will see an option called Languages. Click on that and click on App Languages. And click on Continue, which will lead you to the settings of your phone. As you can see, it has led to Spotify settings. In some, there will be an additional option called Languages, and from there you can easily change the language in the Spotify. But in some, just like in my case, there is no language option. So to fix that, go to Settings and go to Generals. And if you scroll down, then you'll see an option called Language and Reason. Go click that and click on iPhone language. After clicking on iPhone language, select the language that you prefer. And after that, go to Spotify. And there you'll notice that the language has been changed. So that was the process of changing language on Spotify. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you could get notified of our newest upload. For now, thank you for watching.